done. Pretty simple really. Putting it together now, screwing it. Important part to note here is when you're putting your plasterboard on, you want to come in 100 mil, then you want to put another one here so that you're fixing your plasterboards on the inside, just for thought. So extra one on this side, extra one on that side. Here, where we've had to bridge that because the timbers were only 4.8 meters and the whole slab is 5.6, so we've had to bridge that. So we'll cut another one that will go up and it'll sit on that bridging post there. That's it. This is what I'm using, and you'll see I've stitched it because that is more than 100. Now I'm using 11mm OSB, and you'll see this is machined, so this is, this is square. So if you get that lined up there and it's all the way lined up here, there's a little bit of a bow in this timber here, but if you get it all the way lined up there, you know that that angle's square. So as you look down here, you'll see that my frame is slightly out of square. See that? So all I'll do is I will use my persuader, give that corner a wee tap, pull this in down here, then hopefully that frame will square off. That is now square there, all the way down here, and all the way down there. Now you want to inset it slightly, so when you stand this up, the weight is on the wood here, your 4x2s, and not on here. So just a couple of mil off there is fine. And another note on the OSB sheeting is because you've got 8x4s and you've done 400 centres here, it should run up the middle of your board. There. Should. That should be nice and square. There. The lip, you'll see, carries on all the way down. So there's just a little gap there so that when you stand this up, the weight of the building's not resting on the OSB. There you are.